All right, and there you have it. This is from Addictive Desert Designs. This is going to be their low pro style bumper. This is the piece that attaches with the winch in it and onto the frame. And then this piece, I'm assuming, attaches obviously to that. And then it goes onto front of the truck. So seems pretty easy. They have very thorough install instructions on their website. So I'll leave a link to that in the description. But really excited to get this brand on the truck. Addictive Desert Designs has a lot of cool stuff. It won't be the last time you see them on the truck, including a rear bumper, maybe. But that's for a video another time. With that said, let's get to the install and get going. So while I've got everything torn apart, I'm going to install these lights from Tacoma Lifestyles while I'm at it. So these are those Fang lights that you've seen. I got the bumper off, so hey, perfect opportunity. All right, so while I have the bumper all taken apart, just got done cutting it, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my Fang lights here. I'll leave a link in the description for these bad boys too. Perfect fit. So by removing that whole bar too, I just opened myself up for a ton more tire clearance on this side at full crank, because there's this thing coming over here getting in my way. So score. What happened?
It was, he accidentally hit because when he was in front of him, he accidentally.
Yeah, did you say sorry? Not just, it's not my fault?
Yeah, I said sorry.
Oh, must have missed that part.
And he already told.
All right, guys, so there you go. It is the next day, and it is all done, and man, does it look good. I'm glad I went with this style bumper. It opened up everything where the Viper cuts are, got rid of all that extra stuff, which I was pretty confident that's what was going to happen when I made the cuts. We got the Addictive Desert Designs low pro style bumper with Superwinch's 12,000-pound winch and Tacoma Lifestyles fang lights. Those came out sweet. I kind of like the extra white in the truck too. Looks pretty cool. So those are daytime running lights. Install was relatively simple. I'm going to tell you guys, I'm going to leave a note at the beginning of this video, but I installed the winch and the bumper itself before putting the grill back on, which couldn't figure out why the grill wouldn't go back on. And I went on YouTube and I saw another guy did the exact same thing I did. So forewarning, put the grill on, then put the bumper on. Big thank you to Addictive Desert Designs. You guys have a badass product. And besides the grill going on first, that's the only thing I think is kind of annoying, because I have to take off the bumper in order to get the grill off, which is very frustrating. But shit, I mean, it's worth that look. Alright guys, so I hope you all liked the video. Like I said, the install was pretty straightforward. The only thing is you put the grill on, then put the bumper on. You know, the other one I did on the fit gen, you just put it all on, then you put the grill on over it. So, you know, my fault for not looking a little closer to the directions, but it made me feel a little bit better when I saw another video. The guy did the same thing. So I guess I'm not the only one. But yeah, I hope you all liked the video, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Up next, air compressor time. Big thank you to Addictive Desert Designs, big thank you to Superwinch, and a big thank you to Tacoma Lifestyles, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.